Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
This washer is designed to use bulky or sheets bedding cycle for bulky clothing items or bedding. When washing these types of clothing items, do not use the normal cycle or a rapid wash cycle. Clothing performance may not be ideal if using these cycles. The wash load must be balanced and not tightly packed. A large unbalanced load could result in a reduced spin speed and wet clothes at the end of the cycle. It is important that the washer is level. If not, the load may become unbalanced, causing the washer to not spin properly. This can also cause the washer to have excessive noise and/or vibration, especially during the spin cycle. Cycles with lower spin speeds remove less water than cycles with high spin speeds. Use the recommended cycle speed spin for your garment. To remove extra water in the load, select Drain and Spin. Load may need to be rearranged to allow even distribution of the load in the basket. If the low spin or no spin was selected, the washer may not remove enough water from the load. Only add clothing items while the Add a Garment indicator light is on. Pausing the machine later in the cycle could cause limitations on the washer running at maximum spin speeds. Check the drain hose for proper installation. Use the U-shaped drain hose form on the drain hose and securely attach to drain pipe or tub. Check that only 4.5 inches of drain hose is in the drain pipe. Do not tape over the drain opening.